Yo, welcome back to the YouTube channel of J Rose Swing. Today we are starting work on the Escalade. So let me move the BMW and let me move it into my work spot. We are going to be doing the oil pickup tube. So let's get started on that just to see what happens. But I'm gonna see if it work right here. I'm gonna put it on the jack stands. I'm at the ramps, the car ramps, and see how I can work under here. If not, I'm just gonna move it back up here. So let's see if I can work right here and move it back right here. Whew, yes, I had to pull it back because my back was hurting on this freaking ground. So yeah, I had to pull it back, and now I got an even playing field. Now everything should run smooth, especially when I get the jack under there, so I can remove the differential, and we'll be golden. So that's the good part about it. Well, I got that. Okay, that's out. Yeah, that's out. You can see the oil leaks. So here we go. The piece has come in the mail right there. The oil pickup tube for the Escalade. Hopefully this solves the problem of the oil. So yeah, got my little hobby right here. Got my gaming PC right here, and just watching Atlanta and probably ordering some more little cars. Off topic, but that's my little hobby that I do. Alright, so now that the cross member is down, we got these bolts right here. Got those to take off. And then there's like a little vent, I guess. Right there. Unplug that. And everything should be sweet. This is one part I hate. And the reason why I hate it is because I have to jack up the front. And in my case, that's gonna be a little hard. Probably not. Because I gotta jack up that side. I got two jacks. I think I'm pretty good. But got it off. Just go right there. But let me show you a little tip. Okay. There's gonna be a bolt right there. Say that you can't get the tire off the ground, like how I'm doing in this predicament right now. There's a bolt gonna be up there, but all I did is got a 5/8 with the extension on it. And then I just put it right in here. Just put it right in there. Then the extension gonna come up to the tire right there. You get like a big ratchet or whatever. Then just break it loose. So that's a little tip if you can't get the tires off the ground. Okay, so now all that's holding this baby up is those two bolts right there. Them bolts for that, and those two bolts right there. Those two bolts right there. So yeah, whew, finally got it out. It was pretty easy to take this out. Okay, it was really easy to take this out. So I had some highs and lows with the wrong tools and stuff, but finally got it out. And this is what we came for, is that. Look at all the clearance I have now just to drop the pan. So what I'm gonna do is wipe down everything, and then gonna have to go get some new oil and then go from there. Whew. Yes. All right, so we're gonna leave off where we left off. So I had to wait a week or 2 weeks for this thing right here, because on all of the LS engines, it has the original oil pan. The oil pan has like a vent thing, so I'm gonna have to cap it off with this. So it's gonna be another thing, because yeah. All right, so this is a 15 drain plug. So now let's see what comes out of this thing. So keep it like that. Whew. Okay. Still brand new oil. Yeah, that oil is pretty brand new still, because I did do the oil change, but yeah, still clean. All right, so the oil drained. Now we got these 10 millimeters right here. We got two big ones in the back of the transmission. I'll try to get it. We got two big ones back there. Got that in the corner. Got these, and then you got some in the front. You got those. So yeah. So let me take this down and let's go. Okay, update. Finally got it out, and I see some signs of sludge up in this piece. You don't have to drop this. You don't have to drop the thing right here. If you're not too worried about losing a little bit of power steering fluid or whatever this hydraulic thing is right here, just unbolt it from right there, and then just bend it. Don't bend it too far, because it will snap. But let's take a look at the oil pan now. All right, don't worry about this. This right here is just condensation. So I ain't too worried about that. But now you can see sludge in there. Oh God. Oh, look at that. That's sludge. Oh, snap. So definitely gonna have to clog this up. But dang, that's a lot. Oh, look at that. Oh yes. Hopefully, I'm praying that this is the issue, because to me, like, it's pointing towards that. Cause look at all that. Oh no. I think that's what. Oh yeah. Oh snap! Look at that. Oh, yo, that's dirt. That's dirt. And like I hope this oil pan ain't broken, because I can feel there's cracks. Now look at that. Okay. This thing right here, this is the old one. As soon as I took the bolt off, it fell out. So look how flat it is too. that is flat compared to this one. So look at that. Look at that. This thing right here is hard. Holy cow. Oh, look at it. Stop fighting. So I'm gonna clean all the surface area of that and put the old one back on until the new oil pan is delivered. And I'm looking, the rear main seal looks pretty good. I don't think anything is wrong with that, which is good news. So let me do this and
2,000 years later.
all right, it has been the next few days and the new one, well not new one, but new use is here. Here we go, right here. It's a little bit different, but they're basically the same. This one don't have this little hole right here. This one does have the little coupling thing right here for the oil can go down for the DOD delete crap thing. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking this one off and plugging it. Since this truck right here doesn't have DOD or AFM, whatever. So this is this one. So that one look. Side right there, and this side over there. Yeah. So now I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some silicone stuff so I can do the edging. But yeah, this is the new one right here. They're basically the same. Fit 60553, I think, or 62. 536062. So yeah. So now let me do all this and put everything together. I am gonna be stealing this right here, is a little piece of thing right there, and putting, so when I put the gasket on, you know, it will fit right. It won't move. So yeah. Okay, so I got everything on. I got everything zip tied down. The original spotting for the spot wells right here. So I'm just gonna use these right here. So now let's put it up. But I'm gonna have to put some of this high temp stuff on it first, and then I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and then, you know, put oil in it. Okay. Oh my God. I'm done. Everything is back up. As you can see, I collect my tools, some of them, and everything is up. Oil pickup tube is tightened down. The pan is clean inside. Made sure that I got the gasket on the oil pan. Tightened down the oil cooler line right there. Now you got to put the oil filter on. Got to put some oil in it. And then I got to go get some oil. All right, and so what I did is I have taken the valve cover gasket and stuff off here. Well, the valve cover. And I had took a little like thin wire and went in between the rocker. Now, like, so I can get see if any dirt is inside the rocker and the push rod. It went in easy, so hopefully that it's not clogged up anymore. All right, so it is the next morning. I let that dry, cure. So now I'm gonna put the oil in the truck. So let's do this and see what happens. There she go. It took like 45 minutes. I was sitting right here for like 30, 45 minutes after I recorded the last clip. All right, so I got everything on, so let's see how much PSI we have. 45 PSI. So it's running 45 PSI. There's oil that is on the manifold that I had got on the manifold. But she cranks up a lot better. There's that leak right there. So So I'm just gonna let it get up to temperature. Sounds good. Other than that little jump. So we're gonna see if it start ticking or not. All right, so at idle now, before I did this, it was at 19 to 20 PSI at idle. Now it's at 39, 40 PSI. So that is good news. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a radiator. But yeah, I think we're on a good note. Yeah, that's a lot of water coming out there. Boys and girls, I think we are clear. Because right now, where the temperature hand is at, it would have been started ticking right now. But yeah, there's no oil leaks at all. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that was the issue the whole time. No ticks at all. All right, so yeah. All right, so I got everything buttoned up. So now let's move this big girl off this ramps. Whew. What a week. Yeah, and don't do this. Don't do this. Let's drop this. Alright. There's like a rattle. Not a rattle, but this thing right here. Right here is like hitting up against something. Yeah. But definitely got to get the tune up done up on it. And new gas, cause this thing gonna eat. Oh, so yeah. I think I fixed her, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna still be posting videos on it, but I'm gonna just end the video because this video is already too long. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. And I will see you guys in the next video of the Cadillac Escalade.